Hey, Mr. Raccoon, what are you doing out there in the daytime? I don't seem to bother you very much. Where are you going? It's unusual to see you during the daytime. I hope you're a healthy raccoon. We don't mind animals here as long as they treat us with respect. Let's see what we can get a video of you, I guess. You are a pretty looking raccoon. Where are you going? You probably should go someplace else other than coming towards me. If you were a smart raccoon. Did you find something to eat? Oh, you're going to dig in the dirt I put out there. I'm amazed you're getting this close to me, little raccoon. Well, we'll see where you go. Well, you have a very wonderful day, little Mr. Raccoon. And if you're watching the video, thanks for watching, and may you have an awesome day.